all know that worry is not healthy, productive, or good for us in any way whatsoever. Or if that's new information for you, well, so be it. But anyway, worry is fear and doubt and atheism. It's believing that life doesn't have your back, and that if you throw scary movies into your mind about possible futures, that somehow you'll feel better. The mind is convinced that worry is the responsible, caring, loving thing to do with your mental power. And it's time to undo that, isn't it? It's time to let that go, believing that worry has something to do with caring about someone or loving someone or feeling responsible about your life. Oh, I'm worried about my future. Is that really responsibility or caring? Can we just call it what it is? It's fear. And let's stop. Let's stop that. Now, what worry and tapping is a great thing to do. When you're worried, just start tapping. In fact, start tapping right now on your favorite point. Breathe and let worry rise to the surface. Say hello, worry, and just ask yourself, what am I most worried about? What is the most negative outcome that I'm scared might happen about my future or about my children's future? And just let the worry come up and acknowledge, okay, worry is a habit. Worry is a pattern. Worry is something I learned from my parents and from others. And worry is the misuse of the power of my mind. Because if I really used my mind intentionally, I would see positive movies about the future. Or just no movies at all, just being in the present moment, trusting everything takes care of itself. As Matt Kahn said, everything is here to help me. Everything. Everything is okay. And so that's where we're going today, energetically in our tapping. So whatever you're worried about, start thinking about it and say, even though I'm worried about, and then fill in the blank, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I'm worried that the future is going to be really horrible, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though a part of me thinks that if I worry enough, maybe I'll prevent something bad from happening, or at least I'll be prepared when something bad happens. So even though part of me thinks there's something of value in worrying, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. Oh, these worries. I'm worried sick. Feeling all this anxiety about my future or the future of someone that I love. Hoping that if I worry enough about bad outcomes, that somehow I'll prevent them, or maybe just be prepared when they happen, because I've prepared myself by constantly thinking and stressing about these possible negative outcomes. So part of my mind believes worrying is the responsible thing to do. But a deeper wisdom says, nah, we don't need to do that. Everything always turns out okay. Even suffering serves a divine purpose. And we can't protect ourselves from suffering with worry. It only adds suffering to this present moment. So I allow life to be just the way it's going to be. I sign the peace treaty and declare peace with my future. Peace in my mind. about possible futures. I choose to have this moment be an intervention between these worries and the truth of my divine safety at all times. I choose now to lean in and trust the universe. Everything is here to help me. My future is safe and full of wonderful surprises, twists, and turns. My life is an exciting adventure. And just like a really good movie, I don't want anyone telling me what's going to happen in the next scene or at the end. I want to enjoy this movie. I want to enjoy the unknown. So I choose to trust in love and life and God and the universe, that every movie has a happy outcome, and that every movie is here to be learned from and enjoyed. So I'm enjoying and learning from my life and dropping this need to worry, remembering the words of the immortal Stevie Wonder, "Don't you worry about a thing," and backing him up with a little Bob Marley, "Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I'm not worried about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright." And finally, we'll close this tapping with Bobby McFerrin. I just forgot the words. In this life, expect some trouble, but when you worry, you make it double. So, don't worry, be happy. Releasing any reason why I can't be happy and not worry right here and right now. There may be lots of reasons to be worried, but no good reasons. No God reasons. I am returning my faith and trust in a higher power, and I am going to enjoy this movie and the starring role that I have in body, mind, and spirit. Always a good thing to tap. Tap that mind chatter away. Come into the present moment where only love is real.